This is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I just want to talk to you. I got some bad news. I went to the doctor, and they said that I have a mass on my left kidney. And of course, they don't know whether it's cancerous or how to proceed until they um, do the exploratory investigation of the matter, right? So 4 years ago, I had cancer in my right kidney, and they cut half out. So I only have a half a kidney on my right side. So this new mass problem is on my left side. So I'm going to keep you all posted as I go through the process. And there has been a GoFundMe set up for me, and I want to tell you about that. And the GoFundMe is Save Grandma Ray Kidney Operation. Okay, so the link is below, and if you would like to check out the link or assist in any way, that would be great. This is really kind of scary for me because I already been through this with my right kidney. So of course, in my mind, I'm hoping and praying that I don't lose my left kidney, because then that would be a real problem in regards to moving forward in terms of my physical health. Okay, and you know, we all go through something, and this is my dilemma today, and I'm asking everybody for your prayers. You know, pray for me, and hopefully that I can get through this, because I really enjoy coming to you at YouTube and just enjoy cooking with you, talking with you. I love your comments. Oh, I love them. And as you can see, I comment back to all of them because it kind of connects me and you, and you know, you can have your input and that sort of thing. I did make a video responding to some of the comments, so you can look forward to that in the future. So hey, yeah, so I want to just say thank you for all your support, and I'm gonna remember walk you through my process with this mass on my left kidney and let you know step by step what's going on. So if you're interested, go and click the GoFundMe link below and check it out and see if that's something that interests you. And please pray for me. Okay, thank you. I can get through it because I know you're there with me. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, and you know, we're at 615 subscribers, so please, we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. That would be the ultimate pleasure. So please go and tell your friends and everybody, pass the word what's going on with me, and pass the word. I need them to subscribe. So the GoFundMe is it's where you can go and donate to me, and I'm asking for help for all the expenses that I could incur during this process. And so you want to go to Grandma Ray Kidney Surgery, and that's where you can donate on the GoFundMe. Okay, I really appreciate it, and I love all your support, and I want to thank you in advance. And you know, if you're going through something, write and let me know. You know, it's good to hear somebody else that can maybe give me some words of comfort, or I can give you some words of comfort. Okay, all right, go check out the GoFundMe page. It is a donation. Okay, thank you.